3 driving modes to adapt the sensitivity of the steering wheel to the type of circuit. 240 rotation for more realism and precision driving. Vibration for more sensations. Replaces fully the controller. Menu navigation via the directional pad and buttons on the steering wheel. Gear shift included. Large pedals with footrest system and anti-slip pads for maximum stability. Pedals with double tilt axes, improving comfort. System of fixation with suction pads. 2 driving positions, on table or lap. Reprogrammable buttons to adapt to all types of games. Directly connected to the controller, compatible with all the racing games. Gran Turismo Sport, Forza Motor Sport 7, Project Cars 2, F1 2018, Need for Speed, Dirt, WRC and more as GTA V or Farming Simulator. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.